I guess we're back. I can't believe that last episode recorded because I already changed the batteries, or Crystal already changed them, and I changed them back, and I told her to make sure they were changed right, and she didn't do it! Anyway, so, I gotta tell you, this dog is doing great. It's a very, very animated dog. I still want you guys to get the advanced training. This dog needs like the 6-month program. She could be unbelievable. Sophie, good. Heel, turning over with that pager, good. Heel, hand is a very specific heel. Sophie, heel. Very deliberate with my actions. This is how we're going to be able to get the dog trained off the leash. Because again, good, heel. I'm being very deliberate with my actions. I'm going to even feign down. Wonderful. I guess stay tuned.